One of the OpenBuildings design and penetration tools is Join and Unjoin two or more co-hosted openings. The Join option combines two or more cutting elements to create an auto-penetration within the same plane. The cut offset is applied from the penetration configuration setting for the largest element in the join set. The Unjoin tool removes already joined penetrations and shows individual opening for the cutting elements. Once the penetration clash check is set for the model, together with its reference file attached, and collisions between elements are detected, like here between the ducts and walls, we can review the list of clashes and create penetrations for all of them at once, clicking Update Model button. When the auto penetrations are created, you can make use of the Join Unjoin tool. Go to the Collaborate tab on the ribbon, Penetrations section, Join Unjoin tool. Select the first opening and then the second one, pressing Ctrl button. Left-click to confirm the command. The auto penetrations are now joined. Let's repeat the same on the other wall. Both auto penetrations can be now unjoined with the same tool. Select the opening and left-click to confirm, and the auto penetration is now divided into two smaller openings, just like before.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.